I guess I'm gonna have to show up, show out. Unfortunately, this is my second workout of a day, so I don't really know how much gas I got in the tank. I'm gonna switch it up with the burpees with him. You know I like to keep it basic. He just went ham. I don't know all the combo moves with that, so I'm gonna just start off with these. Quick 20. Go to these. It's 10. He did a chain, so I guess I gotta do the chain. Mind you, he did a muscle up. So I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. My shoulder tight as shit. So I always say, listen to your body. I can do the muscle up a little later, but I still gotta warm up first. Quick 20. I'm gonna shoot for 20 without that. I'm gonna be real with y'all. That chain feel like it put more strain on the neck than doing anything, but it is what it is. I'm gonna do 10 more pull-ups just to even it out. Because for those who do not know, if you can do a pull-up or a muscle up, you on a different level. But do be mindful, that's 10 again. The reason why it's a little easy for me to do this, I did lower body my first half. So there's no excuses when it come down to upper body. Because I did eat well, but the only thing is, I ain't really hydrate well. But we gonna see how this go. I'm gonna try to keep up. If you ain't know, motherfucker behind the camera right now is a legend. And if you ain't peep, he working out with the motherfucking fire suit on. That shit's different. I don't have that on, so I have no excuses. I gotta show up and show out. But I do want you to understand, just so it don't go over your head. He's working out with the fire suit. And I want you to do me a favor. I want you to pull up on a firefighter and ask him, or Google, how much a motherfucking firefighter suit weigh. Do me that favor, because he's showing y'all how to get this shit done. Let's get it.